Hi everyone, Marion Emberson here. I don't know if the light's all right in here. I don't know, I'll have to go with it because me other lamp is playing up. First, I apologise for the state of my hand. I'm really sorry, I look like a leper. I suffer with eczema from time to time, and this is one of those times. So I do apologise. It looks a bit shiny because I took a lovely lady's advice and put some olive oil on it to try and keep it moist. But anyway, trying not to use too much hydrocortisone cream because it's just making my skin thinner and thinner. Might stick it on my thighs, that might help. But anyway, I thought let's get into the spirit of Christmas. Els gave me this when I was in Vegas, this beautiful, beautiful die set, and I've been meaning to do it and I just haven't got round to it, and I want to play, so I've gone ahead. I've used the big one. There's a couple of different styles and a couple of different sizes, but I'm going ahead. I've already cut out, you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've cut out of the Wow Superior Smooth white cardstock, 7 of them. In fact, I've cut out 8 because I just wanted to see where the fold lines were, and I should have used a bone folder and I didn't. But anyway, so I am going to first of all go in and just randomly give these a bit of colour. Just with some inks. So let's just pick up a bit of sea glass. I'm using the same brush, not worried, not bothered, just go a bit lighter because that colour's a bit heavier. And I don't mind if I've got a bit of white showing through as well. That's absolutely fine. Just get that up there because I'm going to be putting embossing powder on there anyway, so it don't really matter. So far I've used hot tub and sea glass. You could spritz them, so I've got like the distress stains, that sort of thing. You could spray them, that would look nice as well. You can just play around with them, and then you can do these in any colour that you like. Let's just throw these out the way. Okay. So, okay. So we got those there. Now we've got to do the folding. So first one, if I just show you on here, you've got, well actually I'll show you here. Let me come up a bit more to the camera. Oh yeah, I've got shadows, I know, with this light. Sorry. Okay, so you've got little lines that you need to fold. So just give it a fold. Use a bone folder and you'll get a nicer line. So just go in and do those folds. So I'm just going to go along and get all those folds done. I need to just do that one there. I'm not going to go all the way up. I'm just going to give it a little pinch there. So can you see I've just fold, fold, pinch, and I'm going to fold, fold, pinch, and I'll go through, I'll whiz through that so you don't get bored. And just like magic, there they are. Right, I've got to try and remember. I watched Els do this. Now I think I go like that. So basically, you just join them. So you've got this little flat bit here, and then you just glue them so they join up like that. So again, I'm just going to go in with my Barely Arts glue. Love this glue. And just give a little hold. Now that sticks well. I probably went over a little bit, but you know, I won't tell if you don't tell. Okay, so I'm thinking, do they go like that? Let me just move that a bit. I don't know whether it goes hole to hole or... Can't remember now. Might go like that. And then like that. I suppose you've got to always have your bit at the back down there, haven't you? So that wouldn't be like that. That would be like so. Do you know what? As in good old Marion style, just go for it. And see what happens. Do you know, even that just looks lovely. There must be a reason for the hole, and I've obviously missed it. But that's all right. I don't mind. Unless you have a bit of a hole somewhere and then you can come up with some twine. But I could put twine through that. So sorry, Els, if I've messed this up. She knows I go steaming in. Right, bit at the back. Where's my bit? There's my bit at the back. How gorgeous is that? Who come up with this design? Angelica Turner, you clever, clever lady. So beautiful and very therapeutic, just sitting there gluing them. Now, one thing, I actually quite like the white showing through from behind, but I could have coloured them on the inside and then I wouldn't have had that. I'm probably a little heavy-handed, I don't know. Once I know they're definitely glued, they should be all right. I love that I'm getting it double-sided, so you could have it so it spins round. It's just gorgeous. Anyway, let me... Oh, look at this. Isn't that lovely? That's like a really lovely pattern. I like that. Okay, so I'm going to use my mixed media brush. And I think I'm going to go for the blue ice. This is from the Ice Crystal Trio. And the white ice. So I am going to go in and just randomly just go in and just brush in places. I'm not covering the whole thing. I don't want to cover the whole thing. And you don't want to go too heavy with this because it'll come out quite lumpy. But the nice thing is it stays on there for a little while, so we can go in with one colour and then go in with another colour. So I am gonna take my blue ice. Now, because of how much chunky stuff is in here, I'm just tapping it. So I'm just giving it a little tap in a few places, not covering the whole thing entirely. And then shake off that excess, get that back in the pot. Oh, it's just so beautiful. So, so beautiful. Let me give that a little flick. And then this one, same thing, I'm going to go in with the white ice, and this will pick up where I didn't get the other bits. But again, I didn't put it all over, so I'm not covering the whole thing. Shake it off a few ways because it sits in these little pockets, and otherwise you'll do it, pick it up and it'll go all over the place. Right, now I may as well, right, I'll heat set it first. So I'll go in from the top. Seriously, look at that. How beautiful is that? I'm going to do the other side because I was just thinking my little granddaughters have got their own little mini Christmas trees. How lovely is that going to be as the star on top of the tree? Absolutely stunning. And I can go heavier if I want. I can add a bit more. I could bring the pink into it. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. Right, let's just do the other side now. So, same thing. Okay, so just in case I went too fast on that, like I mentioned earlier, because it's got lots of different bits in it, this, if you tap and sprinkle, so rather than just throwing it on like that, you want to tap, 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 and that brings out the glitter, big chunky glitter bits first, followed by the powder. Okay. There we go. Look, that is so, so pretty. So pretty. Look at that. Again, if I wanted to add a little bit more this side, I can. I'm not gonna. I just love how it is. Absolutely love it. Right, now I've got to make another one for my other little granddaughter. I hope you like that. So that was Paper Flowers by Angelica Turner from Elizabeth Craft Designs. Absolutely brilliant. Joyous Ornament. That's it. It's called Joyous Ornament, Stars 1. I will link things if it's still available. If it's not, sorry. But I will link things in the description. But yeah, that's just gorgeous. Just got a little diamante. Can stick in the middle. And another one for this side. Might need a bit of glue on it. And look at that. That is so cute. So, so cute. And do you know what? I mean, the white cardstock is lovely anyway because it's like a 250 GSM. But putting the embossing powder on there, just, speak properly, Marion, just gives it a bit of stiffness or extra stiffness. That's lovely. And that will last. That's going to last for ages, for years. Well, it better do. I want to see that every year on their tree. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.